Hello, my name is Jack Collins. I started in CAV, it was about October 2019 as an apprentice. I chose an apprenticeship because I wanted to go into work early. I thought it was something that I would like to do rather than try and do more studies at school. My apprenticeship involves working on machines and sort with hand tools as well, so it's fabrication and machine work all into one. I completed my apprenticeship a couple of months ago and I've been working ever since and I've really enjoyed it. My role's changed now because I've been helping another apprentice as well to progress rather than just me progressing myself. The CAV team supported me through my apprenticeship training by offering us help all the time. I've always got someone who I can ask if I'm unsure. Also, there's help by putting us through college as well. My future career plans are I'm working towards my level 3 pay grade on in my role, which I'm starting to work towards within the next 2 months. Then obviously a level 3 qualification would be nice to go with my apprenticeship as well. For new members, I would say be yourself all the time. Just enjoy work as much as you can. Obviously, work's much easier when you like the people you work with, so try to build relationships at work. If you want to study an apprenticeship, I'd say go for it. If it's something like you've always thought about, definitely go for it because it's helped me get to where I am today and I'm really enjoying myself and I wouldn't change it for the world.